What if every WhatsApp message your business receives could automatically turn into revenue without you touching your phone? No delays, no misleads, no manual follow-ups, just instant responses and smart conversations running 24 into 7. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. Today I am going to show you how to turn WhatsApp conversation into revenue on Autopilot using a smart WhatsApp chatbot that I built inside Pabbly Chatflow. So yes, this is the flow of this chatbot and this is the exact chatbot we are going to build in this video without writing a single line of code. And here I want you to know that I have designed this chatbot for clinics, but whether you run a real estate, service-based or any other business, you can customize the same WhatsApp chatbot for that too. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this amazing chatbot step by step. At first open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24 into 7 for your different type of businesses. In this page on the right hand side you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I will go in this flows feature. After that you will come in this page, that is Pabbly Chatflow flow builder page. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no code user friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. So see, this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger, but before this at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am entering my flow name as turn WhatsApp conversation into revenue on Autopilot. After giving the name, I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow, and on the right hand side there are two options. The one is active inactive toggle. With the help of this toggle your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will becomes inactive and it will not work. And the another one is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be saved and updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of keywords, so I will select this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that the user will send to me. As we are creating this flow with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as hi. After writing the keyword you have to press enter so that it will add it in the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here as hello. See, these are the most expected keyword the user will send to me. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message on behalf of my business. So for that I am adding one text button from here and going to write a welcome message in this enter message box. See, here I have entered as welcome to Glow Prime Clinic. Are you looking to improve your skin, hair or overall appearance? As I told you earlier in this video, I am creating a WhatsApp chatbot for clinic, just only to teach you the process of how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow, but you can change it completely based on your own choice by replacing your business name in this place. In this message I've also write that what are you interested in today. So for answering this I am adding some quick buttons for my users by the name of book treatment, view offers and talk to expert, just like this. So for setting up this message I am clicking on this plus add button and going to enter the first button name in this field such as book treatment. After that the button type I am going to select as quick reply. Next I will click on the save button. After that I am adding two more quick buttons such as view offers and talk to expert. Here I have added. After that I am linking the trigger point of this flow to this welcome message. It is connected. Now let's say my users wants to book a treatment, then they will click on this book treatment button. Then my bot will reply to them by sending them the list of types of treatment. So for that I am adding one list button from here, and you can see that this list button is divided in three parts, name as header, body and footer, where in this case I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving these blank and directly writing a message in this enter body box as what treatment are you interested in. After that I am clicking on this H section button and going to enter a section title as treatment types. After giving the section title I want to add a list of types of treatments just like this. So for that I am clicking on this plus add items button 4 times. Here I am going to add only 4 types of treatments, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. See, here I I have added all the 4 types of treatments such as skin treatment, hair treatment, anti-aging treatment and laser treatment. You can also enter description in this enter description boxes if you want to. Here I am not adding. After that I am linking this circle which I present in front of book treatment to this list node. See, it is connected now. When my user will select the treatment type they are interested in, then my bot will reply to them. But before that I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. For that I will click on this actions option and heading button is set custom field by dragging this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as treatment type. After that in this enter value box I am going to write this, that skin treatment, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this treatment type. That's why I am linking this to this. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before switching to the another tab, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and click on this contact custom fields. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down, you will see one option is there by the name of plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to enter the contact custom field that you want to create and enter the description in this field description box. After that, you just have to click on the save button. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of treatment type, so I am not creating more. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field not specifically for this treatment type. Now I am going to do the setup of 3 more contact custom field nodes for each of these treatment types. Here I have added, as you can see, that I use the same contact custom field in each of these nodes by the name of treatment type, but only change the values completely based on the input that I have entered in this enter title box. You also have to make sure that the input you have entered in this enter title box is the same you have to write in this enter value box at the end. This will help your bot to provide customized message to your users completely based on their selected choice. Now when my user will select the treatment type, then my bot will reply to them by asking them their main concern. For that I am adding one ask a question button from here and going to enter a question in this enter message box as what is your main concern with some example. After that I am selecting the contact custom field as concern. Next the format I am selecting as any. After that I am linking all these 4 contact custom field not circle to this question node. See, connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now when my user will share the main concern to my bot that they want to book a treatment, then my bot will reply to them by asking them their full name, contact number and appointment date. So for that I am going to do the same that I have done here, means I am adding 3 more question node in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added where in this question box I ask my user to share their full name. For that I have selected the contact custom field as full name and the format as text, as name should always in the format of text. Next the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will re-attempt the question that you have right in this field. It also means that whenever the user will not reply to the bot in the correct format that you will select from this list. For example, here I have selected the format as text, but user will reply to the bot in the format of number. Then on those type of cases we have to increase the number of attempts for our user so that they can re-attempt the question. But make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. Moving forward in this question box I write that great. Now please share your phone number. That's why I have selected the contact custom field as contact number and the format as number. You can also enter minimum and maximum values in both of these boxes if you want to. Here I haven't added and the number of attempts I'll give as 0. Lastly in this question box I write that when would you like to book. For that I have selected the contact custom field as appointment date and the format as date. Now when all these communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized request received message to the user that dynamically includes their selected treatment type, provided full name and many more data. So for that I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. You can also get this text button from here, messages option. After that I am writing a respond message in this enter message box. Here I have added as thank you with $symbol full name. Your treatment booking request is received. Summary treatment with $symbol, treatment type, concern, appointment date and contact number. As you can see that I have used the $symbol in some fields because with the help of this symbol the bot will reply to my users dynamically. As in this step, whenever the user will share their full name with the bot, then automatically with the help of this contact custom field not full name, the bot will automatically capture the user's provided response and mention their name in this place. This is same for all the rest of the these contact custom fields. In simple words, contact custom fields makes data dynamic completely based on the user input. Now I am moving forward to the next button, that is view offers. If my users wants to view the running offers, then they will click on this button, then my bot will share them the offers. For that I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. Now I am going to enter all the offers related details in this enter message box. Here I have entered. With this message I also want to set this button by the name of book treatment. So I am setting up by clicking on this plus add button. I am going to enter the button name in this field. After that I am clicking on the save button. See, the button is added successfully. Now when my user will click on this book treatment button, then again the bot will share them this list where the user will select the treatment type that they want to book. Now the next button is talk to expert. If users want to directly communicate with the expert, then they will click on this button, then my bot will share them the contact details. For that I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting content type as text button. Now I am going to enter the contact details in this field. Here I have entered and our flow is completed. And I want you to know that I have designed this chatbot completely based on my choice. You can customize it based on your own business and imagination. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. Now I am going to test this chatbot to see whether it is working perfectly or not by sending any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account. Once I send the message, immediately you will see the bot replies to me like this, that welcome to Glow Prime Clinic. What are you interested in today? With 3 quick buttons by the name of book treatment, view offers and talk to expert. Exactly same that we have set it in this node. Let's say I want to view the offers, so I will click on this button. Then it shows me all the running offers. Let's say I want to book a treatment, so I am clicking on this button, book treatment. Then you will see it shows me the list of types of treatments that we have set it here. Let's say I want to book a skin treatment, so I am selecting this. After that it will ask me for my main concern that I am sending as acne problems. Next it will ask me for my full name, so I am sharing it as a smart user. Then it says that great, now please share your phone number, so I am sending it one test contact number. As it is visible that the bot is asking me all the questions that I have entered in each of these questions not. So this is how it works. After that I am sending the booking date, and then you will see I have received one customized request received message from the bot that includes my name as a smart user that I have shared while communicating with the bot, treatment type that I have selected from the list as skin treatment, my main concern, appointment date and many more, and one message that is our clinic expert will confirm you shortly. So this is how the chatbot works in real time. If you like this chatbot and you also want to create the same, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Here, as our bot is working perfectly, so I am going to end this tutorial. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.